This really phenomenal, cool woman whose journey I've been watching for a long time. जब से मैं move back हुई हूँ, I've been seeing her doing some incredible stuff. Her name is Amafa Mubashir. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. It's so good to be here with you.
It's really a pleasure to have you. You know, I have to share something really funny. मैं अमाफा की क्लास में जब से पाकिस्तान मूव हुई हूँ जाने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, but now she's on national television, so she can't say no to me. She said she's going to write my name on the list and I'll be attending her classes soon.
Inshallah, I can't wait to have you.
Yes, and now she's doing sound therapy as well. और आज हम उनसे बात करेंगे about something that she's actually very good at. पहले हम आपको बताएंगे कि साउंड थेरेपी क्या होती है, फिर हम आपसे कुछ actually aspects उसके share भी करेंगे. So, Amafa, tell us first how your journey started.
Well, I mean, I used to work in advertising. I used to work in television before.
Amazing.
And I think next year is going to be my 10-year anniversary.
Oh, wow.
मैंने अपना job quit किया था 10 साल पहले और मैंने बोला था कि मैं बस अब yoga instructor
That's amazing. हर किसी की ज़िंदगी में एक ऐसा time आता है when
Revelation.
after a while, yeah. And you know, when you're looking for answers in your life, you realize कि अच्छा, okay, fine, I need something more.
Yeah.
So that's what happened with you.
Yes, 100%. I was sitting on my desk one day and I was like, you know what? That's it, I'm done. I want to slow down in life.
Amazing.
And but I think मैंने yoga को ढूंढ लिया और yoga ने मुझे ढूंढ लिया.
And it's a good soulmate connection, clearly.
Yes, 100%.
Love it. So, Amafa, यहाँ पे हमारी जो audience है उनको actually नहीं पता sound therapy क्या होती है. You know, although it's a culture that comes from way back, and मैं लोगों को ये समझाना चाहती हूँ कि हम सब में एक vibration होती है, हम सब की एक frequency होती है और ये हमें किस तरह heal करता है. तो let's tell our audience briefly about it.
Sure. Yeah. So when you're speaking about frequencies and vibrations, अगर आप physics की तरफ से भी देखें, हम सब matter हैं.
Yes.
We are all just bodies of matter moving around in shapes that we can understand.
Of course.
And so this is also, these bowls, they emanate a frequency. अब अगर आप इस बोल के अंदर देखिए ना, हर बोल के अंदर मैंने एक मार्किंग की हुई है which note it is.
Amazing.
And each note corresponds to a different part of the body and a different energy center in the body.
So you mean the chakras, right?
The chakras, yes, 100%.
Amazing, amazing. So let's say which is the white bowl for? It's for what chakra is that?
So the white bowl is an F note that I have.
Okay.
ये white वाले crystal से बने हुए होते हैं और ये वाले metal से, as you can see.
Okay.
And इन दोनों के बहुत different sounds होती हैं.
Yeah.
They're used in different ways as well. These are more traditional.
Yeah.
ये ज़रा new age हैं.
Yes, because that's what the white one fascinated me. What is that one?
Yeah.
Looks like half a crystal ball or something.
Yes, but it creates this really ethereal sound and it kind of mesmerizes you. ये वाले ज़्यादा body पे play किए जाते हैं because their vibrations really expand. But this one is more auditory.
Oh, amazing. So I once had a sound session somewhere and I feel like as if, you know, उस कमरे के अंदर बाहर की ट्रैफिक की आवाज़ वगैरह भी आ रही थी. तो do you think वो आपका process थोड़ा malign कर देता है अगर आप सिर्फ sound पे focus नहीं हो? Does that happen?
No, I don't think so. And this is something जो मैं अपने students को भी कहती हूँ. आप अगर किसी forest में बैठे हो या beach में बैठे हो, तो समंदर की आवाज़ आती है, चिड़ियों की आवाज़ आती है, nature की आवाज़ आती है. And it is up to us कि हम किस चीज़ पे फोकस करना चाहते हैं. अगर हम ट्रैफिक पे फोकस करेंगे, वो हमारा फोकस बन जाएगा. Because it all begins and ends in the mind. What you give power to,
of course,
has power over you.
Absolutely, I agree. But somehow I kept getting distracted with the sound, and I was like, should this be done in a soundproof room? But it's interesting कि जब आप basically sound सुन रहे हैं तो you know, to actually, you know, second your point, you have to be in that present moment.
100%.
And you have to be focused on just the sound.
100%.
Right?
But I get it though. Like, you know, it is distracting. और हम ऐसे शहर में रहते हैं जहाँ पे there's always traffic sounds
happening.
So it can be distracting, but I think it's just something you have to work on.
Work with.
Yeah.
अच्छा, और इसके benefits क्या होते हैं हम लोगों के लिए? लोग क्यों कराते हैं? Let's say.
I mean, it's
stress.
It's a bunch of things. People come to me जिनको insomnia होता है, anxiety, stress. People who just want to tune off from the world for a bit. People who are making time for themselves. तो लोगों के बहुत मुख्तलिफ रीजंस होते हैं जिस वजह से वो आते हैं साउंड थेरेपी के लिए.
Okay, so basically from what I read as well was the fact that sound therapy जो है वो आपकी brain waves को थोड़ा calm down करती है जब आपको stress हो रहा होता है, right? So cortisol level आपका वो what do you say? Manipulate तो नहीं करती but
calms you down.
Calms you down.
Yeah. I mean,
right? Stimulate करती है. Stimulate भी करती है.
100%. So think of it in this way. अगर आप किसी कमरे में जैसे आप अभी traffic का बोल रही थी. Now traffic noise is something that will hurt your ears.
Yes.
And lower your frequency or be like, okay, I don't want this and irritate you.
Yeah.
But this is a soothing sound, so it'll calm you.
Amazing. And Amafa, I noticed you have 3 different utensils with you right now.
Yes.
So what is the point of these 3 different utensils?
I'm going to demo it for you, but each of them make different sounds.
Okay.
This one is used for my crystal bowls, and those 2 are used for my metal bowls.
Amazing, 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 amazing. So should we try one of these, or how do you do them?
Sure. Do you want me to demo one right now?
Maybe we can try it after the break.
Done.
Let me ask you a little more, how long does a bath session usually last, a sound bath, so people know about that?
It completely depends on the practitioner and the student.
Okay.
जैसे मेरे one-on-one sessions होते हैं, कभी वो 40 minutes के लिए होते हैं, कभी वो 2 hours के लिए होते हैं.
Amazing.
उसके अंदर मैं Reiki भी incorporate करती हूँ, sound healing भी incorporate करती हूँ. So it depends on what the session feels like then.
Yeah.
But for a group sound therapy session, it can be anywhere between 1 hour to 1.5 hours to 2 hours.
Amazing.
Completely depends on the practitioner.
And Amafa, do you feel that everyone who comes to your class at some point, like let's say there are 3 different age groups in your class, so all 3 के लिए वो same sound would benefit them? Or would you alter it for a person?
Well, that's a good question. I don't think I'll alter it, but I definitely read the energy of the room before I start a session.
Okay. But different people have different energies. Let's say I'm coming back from work and I'm in a really bad mood, and someone's just been chilling at home but is really depressed about something in their life. And let's say there's a 65-year-old woman who comes too.
Yeah.
So do you think ये sound different लोगों को एक तरीके से ही affect करता है या different?
I would say meditation affects people in different ways, right? तो ये मैं अपनी students को भी बोलती हूँ. Observe how you're feeling.
Yeah.
Whatever it is.
Yeah, of
if
course.
it's resistance, if it's stillness, if it's calm, if it's anger, whatever is for you, observe it. Let it happen. Let it come up and see what you're feeling.
अब हम share करेंगे first a little bit of theory, and then after that हम ये test करेंगे, and I'm really excited about the white bowl. I feel like I'm going to be holding a crystal
You're attracted
bowl in my hand.
it.
I'm really attracted to it. Maybe it's calling out to me because I need that healing.
You know, it's actually an F note which relates to the heart.
Oh my God, my heart chakra could really use that today.
And there you go. That's
and today is Friday, and it's a day of self-love anyway, and it's oh wow, I love it. So fascinating. I love it जब मेरे show पे इस तरह के guests आते हैं जिनसे मैं connect कर पाती हूँ, and इतनी healing modalities होती हैं, ये सब आपकी बेहतरी के लिए. इसमें कोई हुआ type चीज़ नहीं कि oh my God मुझे नहीं करना. These are things जो भी चीज़ आपकी मदद करती है आपकी ज़िंदगी बेहतर करने में. I think that's great. Amafa, would you like to explain to us कि ये modality रेकी से कैसे different है, astrology और yoga और इन सब चीज़ों से कैसे different है?
So sound healing is more of an auditory experience.
ठीक है.
कुछ लोग होते हैं जो ज़्यादा visual होते हैं, कुछ लोग auditory होते हैं. अगर आप बच्चों को भी देखो तो कुछ बच्चे आसानी से सीख लेते हैं जब वो रीड करते हैं.
Yes.
कुछ लोग आसानी से सीखते हैं जब वो लिखते हैं. कुछ लोग ड्रॉ बेहतर करते हैं. So this is just more auditory of an experience than other modalities.
Amazing. Yeah. And music तो वैसे ही इतना healing है since
100%.
And अच्छा, do you use sounds as well, your own sound as well, या सिर्फ ये bowls होते हैं?
So there's lots of different sounds that I use. There's the bowls. This device is called a tincture.
Okay. Nice.
मेरे पास एक rain maker होता है जो rain की आवाज़ें निकालता है.
Wow.
And there are healers who use their voice. Unfortunately, I am not one of them.
Yeah, because I've seen people chanting and all as well.
100%, 100. I don't do that.
But you have a nice voice. It could soothe the person.
Well, I mean, it maybe while I'm speaking, but if I sing, you're going to kick me off the show.
No. Trust me, I've heard some voices which I'm surprised are, actually used for healing as well, but it works. I think आप अपने अंदर से channel करते हो.
100%.
Right?
When I'm alone, yes.
Yes, why not? Why not?
Yes.
This is great. Okay, so what challenges have you faced with carrying these bowls? I've seen आपकी stories पे कि you're doing a lot of these amazing yoga retreats and traveling with a huge bunch of, amazing people.
100%.
So how?
For me, I think the biggest challenge is transporting the bowls.
Yeah.
ये white वाले तो मैं rarely transport करती हूँ because they're very fragile.
टूट ना जाए.
अभी शो के प्रोड्यूसर भी आए थे, उन्होंने ऐसे किया था, मैं बोलते नहीं
हाथ ही लगाए
वाले नहीं हाथ लगाए, बाकी सब कर लें. ये मेटल वाले थोड़े से ज़्यादा स्टर्डी होते हैं.
Of course.
लेकिन इनमें भी I have to wrap each of them up in a कपड़ा so that they don't hit each other or bang each other up. And usually जब मैं travel कर रही होती हूँ, क्योंकि इतना weight होता है इनका.
They are heavy, huh?
Yes, so I have about 8 or 9 of the metal bowls.
Okay.
Plus other instruments, and it comes to about 30 kilos.
Oh wow.
तो मैं हमेशा extra baggage पे करती हूँ.
Oh wow.
मेरे पास कभी कुछ कपड़े नहीं होते.
Oh God. But yogis के पास वैसे भी इतने ज़्यादा नहीं हो तो सही.
100%. But like it's when I go to the mountains. अभी हम मार्च में गए थे. I was doing a retreat in Chitral, a sound healing retreat.
Yeah.
And Chitral के अंदर snow. 25 साल से इतनी स्नोफॉल नहीं हुई थी जितनी अभी मार्च में हुई थी.
Yes, I was in Chitral just 2 months before you, by the way.
No way.
It was amazing. The weather was amazing over
there. Yes, when I was there, it was not amazing, guys. I mean, it was amazing, but it was challenging.
Yeah.
And I only had. It was amazing, but I only had 2 sweaters.
Oh my God. Okay, that is definitely.
Because I had to carry these bowls with me.
Amazing.
But yeah, I think they bring so much joy.
So, I'm really excited. So let's do a demo with one of your metal bowls or something.
100%. I'm going to ask you to take off your rings.
Yeah, sure.
And I'm going to play it for you first, and then I'm going to ask you to feel the vibration of it.
Sure.
So let's go with this one. This is a C note.
Okay.
Okay. And it usually relates to the root chakra.
Okay.
और अगर आपको पता नहीं है कि रूट चक्रा क्या है, उसकी क्या, it's at the base of your spine.
Yeah.
I'm going to be quiet for a second so you can hear.
अब हमारे सेट पे हर कोई हील करेगा.
Do you hear it?
Yeah.
So you know you were asking about how these different instruments are.
Yeah.
So this is my striker, my mallet, sorry.
Okay.
This is what I use to create that singing sound and a high pitch sound when I do this.
And they say कि human psychology के अंदर जब हम बेल का sound generally सुनते हैं, पुराने ज़माने में temples होते थे and all, तो वो automatically आपको बड़ा healing और alert state में ले आता है, right?
It's in us with our ancestors, through our ancestors.
Through our ancestors, yeah.
And then if I use this, it's a different sound.
Okay.
It's a duller, lower sound.
Wow.
And I don't know अगर आप लोग घर पे देख सकते हैं, but this bowl is actually shaking right now. अगर कैमरा इसके अंदर zoom in कर रहा है, it's vibrating.
Amazing.
So I'm going to ask you to feel it, Rija.
Shall I move to you?
Yeah, come.
Okay.
Come.
Okay.
So I want you to give me your hand. Place it flat, okay?
Okay.
Yes. And don't curve your fingers. We're holding the base of it. Do you want to use both hands?
Yeah, I can, sure, because I don't want to drop it.
But you can't hold the sides. You have to hold the bottom.
Okay, bottom.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now I will.
Oh, wow.
Do you feel
yes,
that energy emanating from it?
Oh my God, I can feel it through my wrist, into my arms. And I do feel it in my chest too, actually. That's amazing. That's incredible. Yeah, I love it.
So this one, like I was saying, relates to our root chakra.
Wow.
This is the chakra where we hold on to our sense of belonging,
stability,
our sense of what our tribe is.
Amazing.
And when it's imbalanced, we feel like we don't belong somewhere, or we feel disconnected from family or friends, etc., etc. This is also where we hold on to our sense of fear.
Fear, of course, yeah, absolutely. So how many sessions does it take for, I'll move here now, how many sessions does it take for this to work?
Well, I mean, I can't give a number of sessions. It's like therapy, right?
Yeah.
Therapy is a lifelong procedure.
आप
करते जाते हो, आप सीखते जाते हो, आप अपने बारे में नई चीजें सीखते जाते हो. So even when I do my private sessions, I will never tell people when to book the next session.
Of course.
I will allow them to figure that out on their own. So there are people who come to me once a week. There's people who come to me once every 3 months, once a year, once a month. So it depends completely on
जिस तरह आपको ज़रूरत पड़ सकती है.
100%.
And you're saying that this helps with insomnia as well, right?
Yes.
Because sometimes my mind, I can't turn my mind off. Sometimes at night, and I was reading online that it really helps with insomnia too. तो उसके लिए भी कोई खास किस्म का बोल होता है कि you will see me and you'll be like, अच्छा रजा, you know, we'll work with this chakra of yours today. How do you decipher that?
So when I'm doing a one-on-one session, जैसे अगर आप मेरे पास आती हो, तो I'll do a Reiki session on you. I'll figure out where I feel like you need a little more energy, and then I'll decide the sound bowls according to that.
You know what's ironic?
What?
A friend of ours, a common friend of ours, actually, when I went to Reiki to her, Serena, she was telling me it was my root chakra, and I actually picked up a bowl for that.
No way!
How amazing is that? So I was on my Reiki, I was working on that. So आप Reiki भी use करती हो and sound therapy use करती हो, and you're basically making it work, right? So I really think, you know, people should definitely try it out.
100%.
100%. And you know, a session would last 40 minutes. And you know, Amafa has given us some really, I'm still very attracted to that white one.
Well, you know what, I'm going to play it for you.
Okay, let's do it, let's do it. I really want to see how the white one works. But you hold it, I'm not going to hold it.
No, like, this one isn't held. So this one stays.
Achha, okay, cool.
This is the striker and this is the mallet to play with.
Achha, theek hai.
So, you see how different it sounds from that? It's a sweeter sound and a more, high-pitched sound.
Oh my God, yes. I wonder if people can hear it too. How cool, how fascinating is that? How fascinating is that? So, and you know, so the thing is, these bowls cost you quite a bit, right?
100%. So I think my other biggest challenge with being a sound therapist over here is sourcing the material for the sessions. Every time I need something, I have to physically go somewhere, travel, pick it out. तो जैसे ये bowls हैं, ये नेपाल से मिलते हैं, and when I was even choosing each of these, I went through different stores. I played hundreds of them, and then picked out the ones that I connected to.
Wow, and obviously because you have to be pulled towards that object as well. और market में तो हजार मिलते होंगे, right?
Yeah.
मतलब नेपाल से लेके दुनिया में, I'm sure even Thailand.
Well, actually, no, not really. No. So these ones, the ones in front of you, are made especially on a full moon night.
Wow, ये चीजें भी important हैं.
Yes, and these ones are handmade or like hand hammered. So, and that technique is passed on from generation to generation. So there's a lot of machine-made ones that you can find in the market. But the sound therapy ones are especially, well, they're special because they're
of course
gone through this
How
process.
Interesting. And you know, आप लोगों को भी अगर एक sound therapy के लिए किसी you know, I feel practitioner को choose करना होता है, you have to see कि वो किस painstaking तरीके से actually गुजरते हैं, अपने utensils pick करना, and you know, these ones as well. You know, I mean, I think it's really fascinating. You know, the fact that she had to actually go herself, pick them up and bring them back. अगर आप देखें उसके अंदर label भी हुई हुई हैं चीज़ें, because you different. So which one is this for? It says a C.
So this is the minor C, where crown chakra.
Crown chakra, and crown chakra would be basically right here. हम बात कर रहे थे with the amount of stress that we have had in our life, and लोगों को पैसे खर्च करने पड़ रहे हैं, परेशान होते हैं. तो what is the, you know, something that you can recommend to people कि वो किस session से शुरू कर लें, थोड़ी सी देर के लिए आए, and you know, how can they just start off their healing journey? अगर sound therapy से शुरू कर रहे हैं, then they can go towards Reiki and you know, gemstones. जिस तरह मैं gemstones पहनती हूँ, I believe in the power of mind कि अगर आपका sapphire है तो क्या करेगा. So do you believe in all of that holistically?
100%. My mother, my grandmother, they really believe in this. तो बचपन से मुझे फिरोज़ा बहुत पहनाया जाता था.
Amazing.
And,
it's a good stone.
It's a really good stone.
It's for your throat chakra, you know that?
It is.
So you speak well.
Yes.
And what I love is that your spouse, alhamdulillah, is so supportive of your journey.
Yes.
And your family as well. Would you like to tell people?
Well, you know what? At the beginning, when 10 years ago, मैं आपको बता रही थी that I quit my job, my parents were really worried about me. They were just like, what do you mean? You're quitting your job and you're going to do this instead? क्योंकि उस वक्त इतना ज़्यादा common नहीं था yoga instructor बनना या fitness instructor बनना. But I just feel like मुझे इतना pull आया था, इतनी, you know, like आपका एक call आता है.
Of course.
This is what you are meant for. This is your purpose. And I think for me that call came 10 years ago, where Alamia was like, okay, this is your calling, take it.
Take it.
And I have never looked back since.
And your family has been supportive towards you.
Yes, 100%.
Travel आपने किया है, आपने बाहर जाके अपने courses भी किए हैं, I believe.
Honestly, yes, my first course I did in Thailand. It was the first time I traveled by myself. I was 24, and I had never been allowed before that.
Wow.
And I don't know, that God works in mysterious ways. And it all just came together. My dad was like, "Acha, say it, jao, ja simran, ji le." and it just came together really well. And yeah, I've just been so grateful for the journey.
And you know, I think the fact that you own it, आपको देख के कितने लोग हैं you know हमारे शो पे अभी जो हिम्मत ले सकते हैं इस चीज़ से कि हमारी ज़िंदगी में बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस आते हैं, और मैं शो में बहुत ज़्यादा सपोर्ट करती हूँ कि आपकी ज़िंदगी में जितने भी अप्स एंड डाउन्स आए, जो भी हो, आपको 10 साल बाद अगर आप बैंकर हैं और सडनली आपका दिल चाहता है आप योगा प्रैक्टिस करें, तो अल्लाह मियाँ की तरफ से आपको ये कॉलिंग आती है. You know, I mean, the higher power is telling you कि you're meant for more. And people like Amafa and even me, because you know I've done economics and management, and I went and I told my mom one day कि मुझे astrology करनी है, मैं कुंडलियाँ बनाऊँगी और ये सब and this and that. And I know it sounds really वो, मगर आपको जिस चीज़ से सुकून मिल रहा है आपकी रूह को, जिस चीज़ से आपकी मदद हो रही है, आई थिंक वो बहुत अच्छा है. अगर हमारी ऑडियंस में कुछ लड़कियां हैं या कुछ लोग हैं जो साउंड थेरेपी सीखना चाह रहे हैं, पढ़ाना चाह रहे हैं, या इस तरह की कोई चीज़ अपनी लाइफ में लाना चाह रहे हैं, तो दे शुड टेक Amafa as an example.
100%.
And
please feel free to reach out to me if you need guidance about how to go about becoming a sound therapist or a yoga instructor or a Reiki practitioner.
Absolutely. And she's a model as well, by the way. Sometimes she models too. So you know, जब आप अपनी power own करते हो, तो as a person, as a woman, you're empowering yourself to shine brighter. Amafa, it's been such a pleasure to have you on my show.
Thank you so much.
It's been so brilliant to have you. आपने अपनी knowledge लोगों से share की. I hope लोग इसके ऊपर implement करें, अपनी healing पे काम करें, और आपको as an inspiration लें to actually follow their own calling in life as well. Thank you so much for coming to the show.
Thank you so much.